You see here we have a 56 Dodge. I already have the wheel off. A lot of people ask questions about trying to get these hubs off to work on the brakes. As you can see, I've already taken off the castle nut, washer, castle nut, and of course the pin. Quarter key goes that way. Take those off. Usually not that much trouble. This is the tool you need. It's a special design tool. Hub remover for these cars. I think all 40s, 50s, into the 60s. Yeah, I don't know how to do it without one of these. So, each one of these attached to a lug in a 3-style pattern. And I will get that on there and be right back. Okay, as you can see, I mounted the tool. It's good to keep these even so you pull straighter. I generally just judge it by putting them down flush with the top. That gives you full support of the boat. I would not recommend not having them at least all the way through. And once you've got that, it's always a good idea to keep this lube very well, because this is where your pressure comes from. I already have a socket on the end of it. That will vary by your tool. Okay, get the socket in there. And try to line up. You have to make sure your bolt is sitting in the center of your axle. Okay, we have pressure on it now. Everything looks good and straight. I have seen these come with a hammer attachment. I find an air ratchet works just as well. Tighten it up some, and then we will find the proper hammer. Okay, I found a couple hammers. Not really the ideal selection. 5-pound hammer, 5 to 10 pound would be perfect, but this will do. I've already done the other side, so these will work. It's not a bad idea to give just a light tap around the outside. A little tap on the end. These are designed for that. And after you've tapped it, you can see it gets a little more pressure. I usually do this 2 to 3 times. Not too hard, you don't want to bust your drum. Just do that a few times to make sure you have maximum pressure. And once you feel like you're pulling as much as you can pull, this is overkill, it's a little bit, but it's the most convenient hammer I had. Okay, if it doesn't work the first time, just repeat the process. Same thing again. Don't forget, each time you try, a little bit more pressure. As long as this is turning, you will be applying more pressure, which is what you need. Okay, so this time, after a few times of hammering like you saw in the video, I took the impact gun to tighten it, and it with the impact gun alone, it popped loose. So, and there's the brakes. So I hope this helps. It's not always easy, but be delicate and persistent. Thank you.